Hey guys, all right, welcome back to our Elm Street project. I have one more thing I want to show you guys in this house again before the house has to close up and we move toward inspection, and that is the master bathroom. I want to show you guys how we've been able to get the paneling is starting to be in place. Vanities are in. As you can see, our beautiful, huge shower is now complete with our oversized tile. I think it's like 24 by 48. Our beautiful herringbone shower floor. We have all of our paneling done inside of our water closet now, so this looks amazing. Can we see some light up in here? Light up in here? And so one of the other things I wanted to show you guys is just how the mirror and the sconces have now come into place. One of the things that I really wanted to happen was to make sure that the mirror was inside the frame of the paneling, and I feel like it just turned out way better than I thought. And so one of the things I want to also show you guys in our B-roll is how our arch is finished out, how our huge oversized tile floor is looking, and how we have easily framed this beautiful tub under this amazingly no mullion window. With that being said, we have a few more things that we need to finalize. We're still waiting for the hardware. We also have this section here which we're actually doing cabinetry on. So we're gonna see a few spaces so we can hide storage, open shelving for some accessories, maybe some towels or something like that. But what do you guys think? How did this turn out? Was this what you expected? Was it not what you expected? Was there a difference in the first video to this? I'd love to hear what you think. So stay tuned to our social media, of course, on our Instagram. We're gonna be posting final photos. Hopefully we can get this styled and do some really cool shoots with it. Until then, guys, I think that's all I have for you. Until the next video.